Welcome, YouTubers. My name is Olivier Bernier. I've been studying social sciences commerce for 2 years. This program involves 3 courses of mathematics, 2 courses of economy, and 2 courses of business management. These courses are added to the regular courses in social sciences. For those who are looking for a way to increase their vocabulary skills and to decrease their grammatical mistakes, this website can help you. It is important to use a good English in a business because it will give you credibility in your written messages. By using this site, you will gain confidence speaking and reading in English. Everybody wants to be successful at school. It is not easy to have good grades if you are doing too many mistakes. I'm only studying English as a second language, but I want to make money in an Anglophone company, so I'm motivated to improve. I have been accepted at the HEC University because of my good grades. My goal is to increase your vocabulary skills. With my video, you will be able to make fewer mistakes in your sentences. Follow my step-by-step tutorial if you are ready to be a better writer. You can really do some incredible things with this website. Let me show you how. When you go to university, you don't want to lose points in your exams because of grammar mistakes. If you make a lot of mistakes in your exams, you may lose so many points that you fail the course. Imagine doing a mathematical exam at university and losing 5 or 10% because of your bad language. It can really be annoying to make mistakes that you may avoid. For that reason, I am going to show you how to solve this problem with this useful website. First, open a new tab to search the website. After, search the URL virtualwriting.com into the address bar and enter into the website. If you type the URL correctly, you'll see the logo in the top left of the corner of the website. Just below that logo in the middle of the screen, the navigation menu can give you access to other content of the website. While you are at the home page, click on the Login button. If you don't have an account, you can create one by using your Google account, as I did. Now here is where you'll learn how to stop making mistakes in your sentences. This problem can be solved by knowing how to use this website precisely. If you want to make sure that your text contains no mistakes, select it and copy it. Go to the homepage of virtualwritingtutor.com and paste it in the box at the bottom of the screen. Click on Check Grammar in the top left corner of the box. This website will mention you every possible mistake that you did on your text and a possible correction to these mistakes. To see all the mistakes, scroll down. Correct the mistakes in the box and click on Check Grammar again to be sure there is no more errors in your sentences. Copy the next text and you now got a solution for a perfect text without mistake. As I promised, you now know how to correct your text to gain credibility in front of your boss and to avoid doing mistakes in your written messages. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Before leaving, make sure to click on the subscribe button to continue following me. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.